Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and this is my game project Cardcore Clash. This is a turn-based digital card game that I've been developing for a few months now, but I really pushed hard over the last week to bring everything together. Polishing code, debugging, adding artwork, implementing sound effects, and tuning the mechanics. I built this from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all in Visual Studio Code. I've been working with these technologies since the MySpace days actually. Back then I used to customize and code my own MySpace profile, and I even did custom layouts for friends. Since then, I've built and designed several websites over the years, but this project really opened my eyes to how much I still didn't know. I had to solve a lot of new problems along the way, from managing game state to synchronizing animations and sound to refining UI logic. It was both a challenge and a really rewarding learning experience. So let me walk you through how the game works. In Cardcore Clash, you play as a warrior fighting a corrupt dragon boss. Each turn, you draw cards from your deck and use energy to play them, dealing damage, blocking incoming attacks, or applying buffs. The boss uses an intense system, similar to Across the Obelisk or Slay the Spire, where you can see what it's planning to do next, so you can plan your turn accordingly. Notice the corruption bar is increasing. One unique twist is the corruption mechanic. As the battle goes on, the dragon builds corruption, which strengthens its abilities and unlocks dangerous effects. In the future, I plan to expand on this system with something I'm calling Purge Mode, a high-risk, high-reward mechanic that lets players temporarily reset the corruption in exchange for energy or card sacrifices. It's still under development, but I think it has a lot of potential for strategic depth. There are also block mechanics to reduce incoming damage, and energy is capped per turn, so you're always making decisions about resource management. Right now, the game features a single hero versus one boss enemy, over 10 unique cards with different effects, animated hero and enemy sprites, 8 custom sound effects tied to game actions, victory and defeat tracking with win stats saved locally, a fast, focused game loop that lasts about a minute per turn. In the future, I want to expand the game with multiple difficulty levels, bigger card decks and card upgrades, more monsters and multi-stage levels, defeat one monster to move to the next, possibly even deck building between battles. Let me finish this game to show you the win screen, because I am going to win. As you can see, it comes up with a victory screen that shows your stats, how many turns it took, your HP left over, the boss's HP, whether you win or lost. And it also keeps track of how many runs you've done and your win rate. As I show you the code here in VS Code, you'll see that this game was built using plain JavaScript, no frameworks. All of the game logic, animation timing, dominant manipulation, and state tracking are managed manually. That forced me to think very carefully about the architecture and debug issues step by step. Overall, this project helped me combine a lot of skills, programming, design, audio, and game mechanics into something I'm really proud of. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm excited to keep expanding in the future. I'd also like to give credit to myself for coding and designing this game. Attributions are to the artwork and audio. Thank you Open Game Art for the art, and thank you Kenny for the audio. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link in the README or video description to try the game yourself, or follow me on social media. My socials are at Death by Barbells for my Instagram and TikTok, as well as my Twitch, and my GitHub is also Death by Barbells.